Hey Long Beach, it's that time of year. It's time for Dine Out Long Beach. With dozens of local restaurants participating, Dine Out Long Beach, happening February 18th through 28th, is the premier dining event of the city, featuring unique and exciting dining experiences. But what is Dine Out Long Beach, you ask? Well, Dine Out Long Beach is a chance to discover special menus, plates, and cocktails from some of the city's best restaurants. Visit classic Dine Out Long Beach restaurants like Naples Rib, Michael's on Naples, or try newcomers like Rosemallows and Selva. From Bixby Knolls to Belmont Shore, from uptown to downtown to Naples Island, no tickets or passes are required. Just visit any participating restaurant, request the Dine Out Long Beach menu between February 18th and 28th, sip and savor, dine out in person, or take it to go, then repeat before the week is over. Oh, and I almost forgot. To help celebrate Dine Out Long Beach Restaurant and Cocktail Week, we're giving away 2 round-trip tickets to the island of Catalina aboard the Catalina Express, along with a $100 Visa card to spend on the island. All you have to do is go to gazettes.com/dine to vote for your favorite Dine Out Long Beach restaurant, and you're entered for a chance to win. No purchase necessary. For more information and a complete list of restaurants, go to dineoutlongbeach.com, and don't forget to join us for the 6th annual Dine Out Long Beach Restaurant and Cocktail Week, happening February 18th through the 28th. Till next time, I'm Kurt A. Eichstedt, and don't forget, dine out Long Beach.